Hi. Hello.
Hi,
Yeah, are you there?
yes, I'm here.
Good evening. How are you? Nice to meet you.
Good evening to you too. I'm doing well. And how have you been?
I have been good. Then, which part are you in India?
Uh, I'm from the east, and you?
East part means Odisha, West Bengal, Jharkhand. Which?
Oh, West Bengal.
Oh, but you never speak like a West Bengal people. You speak like a Odia people. It's okay, no issue. What do you do? Are you a student or
Are you
working? I am from Odisha.
okay?
Yeah. তুমি কেমন আছো?
Yes, আমি ভালো আছি। আপনি কেমন আছেন?
আমি also ভালো আছি. Okay.
সুন্দর তাহলে।
Then what do you do? Are you a student or working?
Yeah, I'm a student. Last year, my college
Okay. Which department are you studying? Technical, non-technical?
service, service sector,
Sorry?
service sector.
Sorry. Are you working or are you?
My study is related to service industry.
Okay. Okay. Then what's your department? What's your department? Means commerce, arts, science. What's which
It's a
department?
BSc degree.
Okay, you are a science stream student, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Then do you want to enhance your spoken English or do you want to just interact with language learner?
either of them.
Okay. Then are you using regularly this platform or you use only means what do you use regularly or sometime you use this platform?
For the past few days, I have been a frequent user.
Okay. Then, if you meet any co-learner, do you take any topic to discuss with them or do you talk with them in casual conversation?
Well,
Mm-hmm.
we could do any, like talk randomly, or else we
Okay.
could choose a topic and have discussions related to it.
Right, right. Because sometimes what happen, people they don't like topic, right? They want to talk casual
Yes.
conversation. Then we cannot tell them means we take topic to discuss, right? If any
Mm,
co-learner ready to discuss any topic, then we can take topic or discuss, right?
yeah.
Then what brings you here? How did you know about this platform? And apart from this platform, how do you practice with your language?
YouTube.
Okay, which YouTuber do you follow? Do you follow any YouTuber or do you randomly watch any YouTube?
Well,
Mm-hmm. Tell me.
I I learned about this application
Hmm.
through ma'am, Alina Rice ma'am. She's on YouTube.
Ha 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 ha. Right, right.
Yeah.
These days she teaches on YouTube and you regularly watch her YouTube video and you learn from her video, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and she is a amazing teacher and she teaches quite good, right? Means everyone likes. her mode of speaking, and all youngster like her YouTube and everyone they follow, right? That's good.
Yes.
And apart from this platform, how do you practice your language? I mean to say, you are a good speaker, no doubt, but do you talk with your friend, or do you talk with your parents, sibling, or what else?
I read books.
Okay, then you never talk with anyone in English offline, right?
Uh, Very rarely.
Rarely. Okay, what's your mother tongue?
Bangla.
Bangla. Okay. Then you always speak Bangla at home, or your friend, or other people, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
because
right.
of we cannot talk everyone in English, right? Because we have a mother tongue. Definitely, we speak with anyone in mother tongue. But what's your future plan after completing your graduation? What you wanna be?
Do a job
Okay, what type of job?
as an assistant,
Pardon?
personal.
Pardon? Okay.
I want to work as an assistant, personal for the service industry.
Wow. Then advance all the best as soon as possible. Get your destination where you want to reach. And how many
Thank you so
siblings do
much.
you have? How many siblings do you have?
Uh, just one.
Okay, you are only one son of your parents, right? Okay,
Uh,
that's good. And have you completed your 10th standard in CBSE board, ICSE board, or state board?
no, it was 10. It was our state level education.
Wow, but you speak fluently. Excellent. I can understand how did you do hard work to speak English, right? Since when did you start your learning journey? I think
When
so
I,
since childhood, or what else?
when I got into college,
Okay, when you entered in college, after that you started, is it? Then you are a advanced learner. You are
yeah,
not a slow learner. You are a quick learner. You adopt everything quickly, right? Then which subject do you like? Which subject?
I like,
Hmm.
I think, geography.
Geography. Wow, you are a science student, but you like geography, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Hmm. Then do you like traveling?
not since the Chinese virus struck the whole world.
Okay. After COVID, you never ever go elsewhere, right?
Uh,
Okay. Then, apart from your state, have you visited different state?
no, I have been in and around my state. Just
Okay. Then, if you get chance, then which country or which state do you want to go?
I know to Kerala, Punjab,
Okay.
Uttarakhand, Himachal.
Hmm.
Uh,
They
yeah,
have a beautiful place, and they have a tourist place, right?
yeah.
Okay. Then that's good. How much time do you invest your time with study? How much time? How much time per day?
Which study? My college studies.
Yep.
Which study? What I my college study?
Yeah. How far from your college to your home?
My college to what? Distance?
Yes.
I think it's around 8, 8 or 10 kilometers.
Oh, it is so near from your home, right?
Yeah.
Then how do you go there? And bike, bus, or car, or what else?
I take the train,
Mm-hmm.
metro train.
Okay. How many friends do you have?
I got like 3, 4 of them.
Okay, three, four friends, right? Then they are also same locality.
Yes.
Okay. Right now, where are you? At home or outside of home?
Right now I'm in home.
Okay, that's why you speak slowly, right?
Uh, no,
Okay, I think right now, what are you doing while talking with me? I think you are busy, right?
no, I'm not busy. I'm just
But I think you keep your mobile so far from you. I cannot listen properly, and I listen but low voice. Yeah. Then it was nice conversation with
it's a
you.
rainy weather here. So there's kind of like disturbance in the signal reception.
Ha ha, right, right. Rainy season is going on. That's why little bit network issue, right? Yeah, it's okay. It was nice conversation with you, and may God bless you. And as soon as possible, you get good job and you means improve your spoken English and what you want to be, you can. Thank you.